Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the top 5 AI tools you can use to build a faceless YouTube channel. So if you want to create videos without showing your face, recording yourself, or spending hours doing everything manually, then these tools can make the process much easier. Let's start with the first one, that is ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is mainly used for AI voiceover. You can turn your written script into a realistic narration that sounds much closer to a real person instead of a basic robot voice. The second tool is Runway. Runway is useful for creating AI generated videos, cinematic clips, and B-roll footage that you can add to your video. Next up is Canva AI. You can use it to create thumbnails, graphics, images, and other visual content for your channel. The fourth tool is CapCut AI. CapCut makes editing much faster with features like automatic captions, AI effects, background removal, and smart editing tools. And the fifth tool is Pika AI. Pika helps you create AI generated video clips and animation that can make your content more interesting. These tools can save a lot of time, but you need to remember the idea and storytelling behind your videos are still what matters the most. So those are 5 AI tools that can help you build a faceless YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.